Hello, and welcome to St. Lawrence College Career Services Elevator Pitch presentation. Today, I will give you a quick overview of career services. We'll discuss what an elevator pitch is and how to create your own pitch, and a quick overview of how you can contact us for assistance. Career Services staff are currently working remotely and are available to assist you virtually. We can hold virtual appointments via email, telephone, Team, Skype, or Zoom. We also have a variety of different online resources for you, including Interview Stream, an online mock interview tool that is free to all SLC students. All you have to do is register with your student email address. This platform will allow you to practice your interview skills and listen back to the interviews you complete. Next, we have Kingston's premier job board. This job board is monitored and updated on a daily basis. Lastly, on our website, we have a variety of guides, including resume and cover letter. An elevator pitch should be a quick summary of your background and experience. The reason it's called an elevator pitch is that it should be short enough to present during a brief elevator ride. The speech is all about you, who you are, what you do, and what you want to do. Your pitch is a way to share your credentials and expertise quickly with individuals who don't know anything about you. You also may hear of an elevator pitch being called an elevator speech, elevator statement, 60-second pitch, or 2-minute pitch. You can use your elevator pitch or a version of your elevator pitch in multiple situations, including at an interview, when you're asked the question, "Tell me about yourself," at a job fair, when you're introducing yourself to employers, at networking events, or on your LinkedIn profile. Remember that an elevator pitch is designed to make people want to learn more about you, not to secure you a job on the spot. There are 5 main parts of an elevator pitch. First, engage the listener. To do this effectively, you'll have to consider who you're talking to and what you want from them. Second, explain what you do. Third, communicate your value by explaining what the outcome is of what you do. Fourth, promote an achievement. Show your credibility by explaining something like a testimonial that you've received or an award. And fifth, demonstrate your passion. This will make the listener want to engage with you further. Next, I will read to you an elevator pitch that follows the 5 parts that we previously discussed. Engage the listener, explain what you do, communicate your value, promote an achievement, and demonstrate your passion. Hello, my name is Bob. As an integral part of the economic life and social fabric of Eastern Ontario, I have always admired St. Lawrence College's actions toward preparing career-ready graduates to be leaders in their fields. I'm a business graduate with approximately 2 years of experience working in a fast-paced, unionized office environment. My strong communication skills and ability to lead a team effectively results in completing high-quality projects in a timely fashion. In the fall semester of 2019, I received the Next Best Award from the School of Business at St. Lawrence College. I was identified as a student who demonstrated the employability skills necessary to be successful in the future. I love diving into a project and assisting organizations in meeting their strategic objectives. I'd be thrilled to have the opportunity to schedule a time to further discuss your project assistant position. Before you start creating your own pitch, let's go over some do's and don'ts. Do, practice. Ensure you're comfortable with the content. Don't sound robotic. When saying your elevator pitch, try and sound natural and conversational, not like you're reading from a script that you've said over and over again. Do, keep it short. Remember, your pitch is meant to be able to be said in a short elevator ride. Do, focus on the important facts. Don't ramble on or speak quickly. Make sure you are speaking loudly and clearly. Do, be positive. And do have a business card ready. You want to give the employer or the person you're telling your elevator pitch to the opportunity to connect with you and reach out at a later date if they wish. Now it's your turn to create your own elevator pitch. Remember to engage the listener, explain what you do, communicate your value, promote an achievement, and demonstrate your passion. Once you have completed your elevator pitch, remember to practice and reach out to Career Services for further information and assistance. Career Services is here to support you virtually with all of your job search needs. Email us at careerservices@sl.on.ca with any questions or to book an appointment. And remember to follow us on social media for daily updates, tools, and job opportunities. You can find us at SLC Career Services on Instagram and Facebook, and at SLC Career on Twitter. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.